Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and manage table maps. First, click on General, then go to Table Map. You are now in the overview of your table maps. Click on plus Add Table Map to create a new one. A new window will open where you have to enter the information of the new table map. Start by entering the name into the respective text field. Then select the facility the table map will be assigned to by using the drop-down menu. Expand the available facilities by using the down-facing arrow. Now, select the facility to which you like to assign the new table by setting the respective check mark. Once you assigned a facility to the new table map, select a or multiple POS devices that will have access to this table map. To set the before-chosen POS device as selected, use the single arrow pointing to the right side. To deselect a POS device, use the single arrow pointing to the left side. Then set up a background for the new table map by clicking on plus Upload Image. Note, the image's maximum size is 1024 x 1024 px. Once you set up everything, click on Save to apply the changes. Note, before setting up the table map itself, you have to save it. To instantly continue the creation, use the button Save and Create Table Map. Back in the overview, you can manage a table plan by using the Edit icon. Now click on Table Map to start setting up the actual seating plan. For better arrangement of the tables, you can activate the grid by clicking on the corresponding option. To disable the grid view, simply click again on the corresponding option. Tables are moved by dragging and dropping the respective table to the desired position. The size of a table can be adjusted by dragging one of the rectangles around a table. To adjust more details of a table, use the Regulate icon. An input mask will be displayed where you can adjust further settings. To do so, simply use the respective fields. Once you are finished with the changes, click on OK. To add a decorative object to the table map, use the corresponding drop-down menu. Then select the object you want to add. And click on plus Add Image to add it to your table map. Your selected object has now been added. Additional objects are adjusted in the same way as the tables. Drag and drop the object to a desired position and use the rectangles to adjust the size. The new object has now been adjusted in size and position. To change the appearance of an object, select the respective object. Then click on the image icon. A list of available options will then be displayed. Select one option and confirm your selection by clicking on OK. Add as many as objects you like to resemble your respective facility. Sometimes objects are blocking the sight of each other. To prevent that from happening, use the up and down facing arrow icons. The up facing arrow will bring the selected object to the foreground. Therefore, the down facing arrow will bring the selected object to the background. By putting the parasol to the background, the table is now visible again. To create a text, click on plus text. An input mask will be displayed where you can enter the text itself and adjust further settings. To do so, simply use the respective fields. And confirm your settings by clicking on OK. To delete an object, first select the respective object. And then use the bin icon. Once you are done with the setup, click on Save to apply the changes. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to add and manage table maps. Note, since there have been changes made, you need to send those to your system by directing to the general settings.